Hello, and I am so excited to meet you. My name is Lilah Jones, and I live in Chicago. Yes, it's cold here. And I'm excited about teaching the sales management course with ELVTR. I have spent some time thinking about what are some of the things that are really important as we think about our careers in sales, and we put it into a course just for you. I know that 2020 was a tough year and it's 2021, and so many people are saying, how can I continue to build my career and differentiate myself and be visible and work on that next opportunity? And if you are someone that is interested in doing that and sales is an area that you think might be interesting to you, well, this is the course for you. This is primarily perfect for people who are looking to move into a sales role from another role, so maybe cross-functional inside of an organization. It's also great for people who are already leaders in place who want to have more impact on their team. And if you're somebody who's like, oh my gosh, I don't think I can do sales, I think I might be interested into it and I want to learn more, it's also for you. And what are we going to be focused on? We are going to spend some intimate time together looking at both the art and the science of sales. We're going to talk about how do you do things like setting up the basics. We're also going to focus on your why. Why are you doing this in the first place? What are you hoping to accomplish? What do your persuasion skills look like? Could they be fine-tuned? Do you know your strengths? Are you using those strengths and deploying those strengths in areas that matter? We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about what is your plan as a leader for 2021? How can we help you light that up? I'm so excited to be a part of your journey. I'm so excited to welcome you to our class, and I can't wait to offer you a seat on the rocket ship that will be this course. See you soon.